All right, all right, all right. See, that's the 500-pound gorilla in the room. And that ain't DeRay McKenzie. This monkey got more street game than DeRay. See the blue vest? It's the art of getting money. And that blue vest made a lot of money in Baltimore. I'm talking about opioids. And I ain't Charlie Brown. You feel me? That's Gorilla Glue. That's memory loss. That's the opioid and the war on drugs. You feel me? And we're going to talk about opioids and the war on drugs. Because in 1986, I was enemy combatant. I was starting to end the war on drugs. I turned in guns and drugs to the police at the police station to end the war on drugs. This is the case right here. All right? And I took this case and I turned it into a movie. Right here. You can read it for yourself. That's me. That's 1402 Lochner. I went to jail in Illinois for 186 days to prove the corruption and the racism involved in the illegal war on drugs and the pharmaceutical. And this case was the linchpin for it. President Obama asked for an investigation. That's Kerry Cogwa. That's in 2008. That's Governor O'Malley. And we're talking about voter suppression by the Democratic Party. I came to Illinois to file a lawsuit. Instead, you locked me up. I went home on vacation and came back on probation. You feel me? A racially oppressive judicial system in the community. That's people that signed my petition. You feel me? And that's Chicago politics. And y'all took them Chicago politics and what you did to me in Illinois and you brought it to Maryland. Because, see, Obama asked for an investigation. The investigation was about your prison industry and mass incarceration. I'm Shorty. You feel me? And the movie was about Shellenberger. It was about Baltimore County courts and who finances your mass incarceration, the money that you make. That's a legal case. I'm the victim here. You illegally incarcerated me. You permitted Shellenberger to file false charges against me. You permitted Shellenberger to destroy evidence. I put it all in a book. You feel me? I am Dred Scott. Do blacks have rights in white America, which white America respects? Under the 13th Amendment, you use mass incarceration to incarcerate our population. I made a bet and y'all lost. You feel me? Godspeed. Y'all lost. President Obama asked for an investigation. The investigation in the movie was about racism in your judicial system. It named your judges, your lawyers, and how you use the media to transform this illegal war on drugs. It showed the corruption in your courts and how your state's attorney abuses their power of prosecutorial discretion. Don't hate me, dog. Hate the game, dog. I just told you I was making a movie. I'm the video vigilante. Got a story called Shorty. My number ain't changed. Neither's my story. Now, in the event that something happened to me, you can go to Judge Turnbull, the FBI, and you can go to the Department of Justice. He got this. Everything that I'm telling you, he has everything. He has storyboards. He has a blueprint and a layout in the event of my death. Also, my family signed off on this. You feel me? My family signed off on this. So we don't have no misunderstandings this time. You feel me? Internal Affairs Division. Starbucks. The Real News. I'm going to show the role that the Real News played in this too. Like I said, I got to reshoot all the footage that I did in 2011 and in 2018. So I made sure that you received it and you signed for it. And I shot a lot of footage at the Johnny Oleski ceremonies. You feel me? I got a lot of y'all on film. You feel me? I really got O'Malley on film because it was all about O'Malley. The movie was about Governor O'Malley and his machine that he created. You feel me? The machine that Governor O'Malley created. That's what it was about. Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake was on the machine. You feel me? Mayor Pugh. It's the Democratic Party. So y'all think that I'm just picking on Pugh. I'm not picking on Pugh. I'm picking on the machine. This ain't never been personal. This ain't never been personal. Y'all made this personal. I just made it the truth. And if you go to Al Repmer, I got an insurance claim, a complaint, and that complaint is going to be used for my criminal complaint. You seen me chase Chief Johnson out of City Hall? Well, you seen Judge Turnbull ask for my material to be returned. It's about the courts. And if you go to Judge Cox right at this very moment. Judge Cox has a Supreme Court for the United States. That's a writ of certiorari. So I went city, county, state, and federal levels. Governor Hogan got it. Senator Cardin's got it. Johnny Orlesky got it. And it's about this case right here. You feel me? I'm the victim here. And I got victims' rights. So in 2019, you got 365 days to make your mind up what you're going to do with me. You're either going to prosecute Scott Shellenberger or take the case to the Supreme Court. Like I said, I got what I need. I got everything I need. I got the prescription medications. I got my 500-pound gorilla. I'm going to make you lose your mind. That's the movie release. That's the movie. And that's me cooking you up. Don't nobody own shares of Shorty. That's me. I own all shares of Shorty. You feel me? So I'm going to sell this movie to whoever want to buy it. Hey, to the victor goes the spoils. It's about civil rights violations. And like I said, that's my Storm Falls Road. Dear Mr. Davis, thank you for informing me. That's a reentry program that I gave you. That's the Shorty program. That's the Shorty program. You feel me? Shorty program. Social life skills. Economic development. Political. Medical. Environmental. You feel me? And I gave you this program for the last 12, 15, for 20 years. Because I'm the program. Real estate, horticulture, business, visual arts, political involvement, photography, journalism. And I gave it to you right here. I gave you the Shorty program. That's my Storm Falls Road. Photography. Yeah, I got 13 years of film. Got 13 years of film. And we getting ready to make y'all famous. Like I said, we'll make the crowd go ape shit. I'm going to give you what you asked for. I'm going to be the 500-pound gorilla in the room. I'm going to have fun doing it. Play Charlie Brown. We're going to talk about opioids. We're going to talk about the art of getting money. Mass incarceration, your prison industry, the illegal war on drugs. And like I said, everything I got is right here. If I can go to jail, you're welcome to walk in my shoes. Shellenberger can go to jail too. Got a pair of shoes waiting for Shellenberger. 2019, that's my goal. 365 days, I'm going to be driving to send him to jail. The same way that he sent me to jail. And I'm going to use the law to do it. You can't deny me access to the court. I'm the victim here. I'm a victim of the state. I'm going to win-win. Because if you don't take him to court, I'm still making the movie. What you gonna do with that? Let that marinate for a while. Shellenberger. It's all about Shellenberger. If I can go to jail for a toilet, Shellenberger can go to jail for lying to the public. That's like Naphon. You feel me?